High-low dressing is not a salad dressing for bipolar people. High-low dressing means mixing high-end designer pieces with lower budget or mass market pieces. Think of it as Marc Jacobs meets markdowns from Target. By mixing the two, you can produce stunning style results and many compliments. Now the only question is how to get our hands on some designer pieces to make this makeover happen. This video series is called Haute Wheel, and we will explore how to pull off high-low dressing and how to get the lowdown on low prices, get haute style for hot prices, so we can begin sprinkling in designer pieces into our wardrobe. Step right up, folks, and spin the wheel. High-low, can you go? High-low, can you go? So again, to explain high-low dressing more specifically, take a look at this outfit here. Well, right away you see that gorgeous skirt, but it's $420. But did you know that it is paired with this t-shirt that is $14.99 from Target? So this is the essence of high-low dressing, a high-end piece mixed with a mass market piece, okay? Now most of us are not going to be able to afford that $420 price tag, right? We need to find a way to get that price way down to start having some of these pieces in our wardrobe. And so that's what we're going to talk about in this series, and I'm going to give you some ideas on how to get those designer pieces for a lot less. So let's see, where will the Haute Wheel land today? Okay, in this episode we will be looking at outlets as ways to find discount designer duds. Outlets. So let me show you some pieces I found at outlets. So a gorgeous L.A. Tahari maxi dress. Love this dress, and this was actually specifically at the L.A. Tahari store at that outlet. Another one, and again, this isn't designer, but I'm giving you examples of the range of stuff that you could find. I found Under Armour headbands that I wear every single morning when I work out, and it's just a great way to look stylish while I'm working out, and I hate having the hair on my face, and I don't necessarily want to wear a baseball cap every single time. So there's a range of stuff that you can get on at outlets. So I gave you one from each end, okay? Now, how can you go about first finding these outlets to see can you get some great deals? So Google, best friend, right? That's going to be the starting place, I think, for most of the stuff that we're going to cover in this video series. So again, go to the great, magnificent Google search bar and type in clothing outlet, and then don't forget to type in your location. So I would say and Monterey or and Monterey, California, and let's see what comes up. You would get a list of search results, obviously, if you did that. But what I wanted to show you is other resources to find outlets. So this website here is called Outlet Bound, and again, it's the same thing. It's like the great magnificent Google search bar. It has its own search bar. You're going to do what you did at Google, so you're going to type in your city, state, zip code, address, or if you know of a location of a mall, maybe not the specific address, you can go ahead and type that in. And so once you do that, the next step is you're going to get a map like this that's going to show all the different outlets near you. We're familiar with this. Like I said, this even uses the Google Map technology to do this, but we've probably all done this to locate restaurants or different things, right? So in this Outlet Bound, it's going to give you that map, and below the map, if you scroll down, will be a list of the results. So you can see here it says the American Tin Cannery. It's not really an outlet mall. And it says this center has 7 outlets. But the real kind of outlets as we would think of them would be the Gilroy Premium Outlets is the one closest to me. And you can see that it says this one has 134 outlet stores. Wow, that's what we want, right? Right there, that one. So again, just scroll down below the map and look at the different search results to find ones near you. Now near me, you can see this one is approximately, if you did the Gilroy outlets, it would be 35 miles away. Some of you may go onto Outlet Bound or go onto Google and find one. There may not be one close to you, or you don't have the time, resources, gas money to be able to venture out to an outlet to score some of these deals. There are outlets online. Okay, and so here are some of them. You could go check them out. There's always great deals on these ones. So you can just go here if you're just an online shopper, like I can't deal with the crowds, I don't want to have to deal with traffic, I just want to be able to go online. That's perfectly fine as well. So I'm going to give you some of those resources in case you haven't found these online yet. So one, of course, theoutnet.com. That's pretty easy. 6pm.com. Love that one. You're going to end up bookmarking that one for sure. There's Last Call by Neiman Marcus. Again, all of these, you can just type them into the great Google search bar and you will get the web address for these. So Last Call by Neiman Marcus. Love that one as well. Stuff goes really fast on there, and 6pm.com. Saks Fifth Avenue. Okay, off 5th. Okay, that's going to be the discount one. We're all familiar with Saks Fifth Avenue. And I'm going to give you another one, J. Crew Factory. Okay, so those are going to be some outlet resources that you can go to online to go shopping in case there isn't an outlet store near you. And some of these, again, it's going to let you get those pieces into your wardrobe that usually would cost a lot and you would have to save up forever to get them. You'll be able to get them at a lower price point if you're willing to invest some additional time to go to the outlets and spend some additional time doing a little bit more searching than you normally would. So let's put together a high-low outfit from a purse that I actually found on one of the outlet sites online. Okay, so look at this, a red Valentino purse, gorgeous. I love the color of this. I don't even know what the specific color. I want to call it like a cantaloupe color. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this is found on one of the outlet sites online. Okay, that's our high-end piece if we're making a high-low outfit. So that's the high-end. Obviously, it's Valentino, and then we go, okay, what's the lower-end piece? Well, there's this dress here from Topshop. It's $48. Okay, so we have Topshop mixed with Valentino. Okay, there's the bookends of your high-low outfit. So we're going to add some simple accessories, just gold hoop earrings. Almost everybody has this. This really great ring. I think I'm in a phase right now where I really like rings. So it has a ring. I'm noticing that trend in a lot of the outfits I've been putting together recently. And then these great over-the-knee boots. So this is a great like winter fall look, especially with the colors of the like taupe kind of gray, that forest green, and that gorgeous cantaloupe color. So this is actually a great fall outfit with the boots. So there you go, a high-low outfit. And most of us, like I said, would not be able to afford that Valentino purse, but go online, check out some of those outlet sites I've given you, and you can have items like that in your wardrobe. Very cool. So as you know, for this video series, to get you guys more comfortable with these resources and searching them out and realizing all that you have available at your fingertips and all that you have available in your neighborhood, we've been doing a scavenger hunt together. So we're at number 3. So we got to find an outlet near us, okay? So we're supposed to go on to either Google and find one near us or go on to the Outlet Bound and find one near us and see what we found. So you saw I did it right here in this video. So I found the Gilroy Premium Outlet, and it is actually 35 miles from my home. So that's a great resource that is near me that I didn't know until I did this exercise. And hopefully you guys are doing the scavenger hunt as well and finding the resources that are near you. So to download this scavenger hunt, all you have to do is use the link below the video, download it, print it out, start filling it out, and I think you'll be excited and you need to start booking time on your calendar to venture out to some of these places and see what's near you. So hopefully you learned a lot on this video. You're excited to go out to the outlets, and you've actually maybe planned a day of it with some of your girlfriends. You guys could go out, have dinner, go shopping, have lunch together, have drinks, whatever, and it'll be a lot of fun. So there we go. That's this episode. So where will the wheel land next? I will see you on the next video. This has been Haute Wheel.